Hey, what's up, Pundi X holder? So what's going on, my brother? Pundi X is totally as decreasing. Pundi X result as totally bad. And Pundi X holder tell me to what we do at this critical situation because the Pundi X give us very bad result. We are totally and the lost. A lot of people tell me on Instagram too. We lost a lot of money and Fondi X. Can we sell it and be safe from lost other? So I tell you every decision as in this video to this is selling time, this is stop or investing and Fondi X or what we do. This is cannot financial video. Okay, this is does not financial video. Okay, so if you have invested any cryptocurrency, then please research self. Okay, so and guys, before I get started this brand video, I request you first of all to please subscribe ABS Tech channel if you are new on our channel, because ABS Tech channel can update you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So this is good channel for you. Hope you subscribe it. Thanks for subscription. Guys, if you can see here, the latest price is decreasing day by day. Fondi X latest price as of I think 5 days before 5 days. This the price as 5 plus US dollar, 5.37 US dollar. I remember 5.37 US dollar, but this time if you can see here the price come to 4.54 US dollar. Why they come down? I tell you everything as this video. You can see here the last 24-hour chant as an 3.03% gone down. Why they gone down? This is big question, because this time the market cap as in the last previous 2 days the market cap is gone down. I know in the last 2 or 3 days the market cap crypto market cap is totally goes down, but today the market cap is increasing. Good result, good effort. You can see here, you check out the market cap of crypto today, then they're totally and increasing. But I don't know how is it possible to Fondi X does not mean to they're starting growing up. Why the Fondi X totally this time gone up? So I hope today, after today at the mid of this day, I hope they the changes as in positive, and when the changes as in starting in positive, then I update you. I update you. Okay, so first of all, can I decide to sell it? Okay, please some YouTubers also telling you to please sell it. Fondi X is going up, Fondi X come to zero, Fondi X price come to zero. So this is very bad result. This is very bad. We cannot say something about this to the price is going down or price is going up. Okay, but we just know the latest result, and then we just expectation to this is good expectation or bad. Okay, so my expectation is very good from Fondi X from a start, because Fondi X is very fastest cryptocurrency. But I don't know Fondi X why change it names and currencies. Okay, so this time if you can see here, Fondi X old as growing very fastly, but this log I don't know why change at and to Fondi X new, I don't know. And if you want to change it and to 1000 Fondi NFX is into one Fondi X NFX new crypto, so this is converted. Okay, so please convert it, and I hope in upcoming days they go like a rocket. But this time everything full, my market cap and price chain has also and decreased. This time they are going and negative. You can see here trading volume of last 24 hours 30% going down. So this is very bad result for our price chain. 2.79% goes down. So my brother, please don't sell it, hold it and wait for the end of this month. My decision is clear. Please hold it, and wait for the end. Just wait for the end of this month. I hope the price is increasing now, so wait for the end of this month. Please don't sell it. Otherwise your opinion is also very important. Please share it in the comment box, and I cannot order you. I just share my opinion. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.